Hi, we are from Belida. For decades, Indonesia have been one of the biggest exporters of seafoods in the world, and we are very lucky to be part in it. Today, we give you the opportunity to help us build a better and bigger future. So please meet our team. I'm Nicholas. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Belida.
I'm Raka, I'm the CFO of Belida.
I'm Abi, I'm the CTO of Belida.
I'm Mufti, I'm COO from Belida.
We began in South Sulawesi and proved our model with successful pilot exports to two of the world's most demanding markets, Singapore and Japan. Those pilots validated the global demand for our fresh, traceable, and ethically sourced seafood. Now we are scaling from that pilot to a full commercial operation. We are building an integrated enterprise connecting small fishers directly to global markets, using IoT-enabled cold chains and blockchain traceability. So let's look at the opportunity. The global seafood market is massive, valued at over $370 billion and projected to grow significantly. Indonesia exporting nearly $6 billion of seafood this year alone, but we are facing a 25% price gap. This translates to $1.5 billion in untapped annual value. So nowadays buyers want to know exactly where their fish come from and whether it is ethically sourced.
Belida business model connects fishermen cooperative to premium global buyer through cold chain system. Our value lies in traceable, sustainable seafood backed by ESG compliant sourcing and transparent supply chain. We generate revenue from export sales, value-added products, and future traceability software as service system. In Indonesia, competitor like Central Pertanian Prima, BMI, and KML dominates the market by their traceability, flexibility, and smallholder inclusion. So here, Belida can strategically position itself as tech enabler combining digital traceability, community, and cold chain agility by serving a premium buyer that overlooked by large incumbent.
We successfully achieved our first pilot to Singapore and Japan, and since then our demand has increased to 2.5 times since our first pilot. And in addition to that, we also work together collaboratively with the Sulawesi Association for Fishermen. The problem that we are currently facing right now is the degradation loss from both to buyers and then also the import regulation from EU and US that are getting stricter, and then also the seafood disease that we are currently facing right now is getting increased year by year. To tackle most of our problem, first, to tackle high spoilage and losses, we created smart control temperature system. And second, to solve traceability and compliance, we created in Belida to create blockchain traceability ledger. And lastly, to tackle fragmented fishermen, we created cooperative partnership program with Nelayan in Sulawesi.
Global seafood market is massive, valued at $400 billion USD. Within that, Indonesia export opportunities for frozen seafood and B2B buyer represent $1.2 billion. Belida aims to capture $7 million in annual revenue, or about 0.5% of this segment. Seeking $1.5 million, which will be allocated strategically. 40% for cold chain expansion, 20% for processing upgrades, 70% for digital traceability and compliance, while the remainder is for working capital and marketing. This investment will enable Belida to transition from pilot to full-scale capacity in 24 months, enabling growth in Japan, EU, and Singapore, ensuring world-class quality and supply chain transparency.
We invite you to join us at Belida. Let's redefine Indonesia's seafood industry and create a more sustainable future. Thank you for your time.